Nature and human life are as various as our several constitutions. Who shall say what prospect life offers to another? How sweet is the perception of a new natural fact! There is always a present and extant life, be it better or worse, which all combine to uphold. Do not trouble yourself much to get new things, whether clothes or friends. Sell your clothes and keep your thoughts. I am sorry to think that you do not get a man's most effective criticism until you provoke him. Severe truth is expressed with some bitterness. If a man constantly aspires, is he not elevated? There are certain pursuits which, if not wholly poetic and true, do at least suggest a nobler and finer relation to nature than we know. The keeping of bees, for instance. How could youths better learn to live than by at once trying the experiment of living? There is more of good nature than of good sense at the bottom of most marriages. Every people have gods to suit their circumstances. Alas! How little does the memory of these human inhabitants enhance the beauty of the landscape. May we so love as never to have occasion to repent of our love. How many things there are concerning which we might well deliberate whether we had better know them. I have been as sincere a worshipper of Aurora as the Greeks. The fibers of all things have their tension and are strained like the strings of an instrument. Front yards are not made to walk in, but, at most, through, and you could go in the back way. If I seem to boast more than is becoming, my excuse is that I brag for humanity rather than for myself. There is no just and serene criticism as yet. Books are to be distinguished by the grandeur of their topics even more than by the manner in which they are treated. There never was and is not likely soon to be a nation of philosophers, nor am I certain it is desirable that there should be. We know but a few men, a great many coats and breeches. Old deeds for old people, and new deeds for new. A man's interest in a single bluebird is worth more than a complete but dry list of the fauna and flora of a town. I have thought there was some advantage even in death, by which we mingle with the herd of common men. What old people say you cannot do, you try and find that you can. Old deeds for old people, and new deeds for new. While civilization has been improving our houses, it has not equally improved the men who are to inhabit them. It has created palaces, but it was not so easy to create noblemen and kings. There is danger that we lose sight of what our friend is absolutely, while considering what she is to us alone. Only that day dawns to which we are awake. In my afternoon walk I would fain forget all my morning occupations and my obligations to society. As for doing good, that is one of the professions which is full. Moreover, I have tried it fairly and, strange as it may seem, am satisfied that it does not agree with my constitution.